Welcome to FoodSaga. If you love exploring the fascinating stories behind our food, you're in the right place. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary adventures. Let's dive in. Imagine a world without salt, pepper, or even soy sauce. How would you season your food? For the ancient Romans, one condiment reigned supreme: garum, the essential seasoning of their cuisine. This fermented fish sauce was not just a luxury. It was the very essence of Roman flavor, found on every table. From the simplest peasant meal to the most extravagant imperial banquet, garum was indispensable. It shaped the taste of an entire empire, used in stews, sauces, vegetables, and even as a medicinal tonic. Its versatility was unmatched, making it a cornerstone of daily Roman life and culinary practice. But what exactly was garum, and why did the Romans become so utterly obsessed with this pungent, savory liquid? Join us as we uncover the secrets of garum, the ancient world's most beloved and misunderstood condiment. The creation of garum was a fascinating, if somewhat odorous, process. It began with fresh fish. Often small species, these fish, along with their entrails, were layered with coarse salt in large, open vats. The salt was crucial, not just for preservation, but to draw out moisture and initiate the fermentation process. These vats were then left under the scorching Mediterranean sun for weeks, sometimes even months. The heat and natural enzymes in the fish, aided by bacteria, slowly broke down the proteins. This slow, natural decomposition transformed the raw ingredients into a rich, amber-colored liquid. The resulting liquid was then carefully strained, separating the precious garum from the solid residue. This residue, known as alec, was also consumed, often by the poorer classes, ensuring nothing went to waste. The magic of garum lay in its intense umami flavor, a taste sensation the Romans instinctively understood. This savory depth, now recognized as the fifth basic taste, was the secret to garum's culinary power. It added complexity and richness to dishes, enhancing other flavors without overpowering them. Garum was more than just a condiment. It was a symbol of Roman ingenuity and their sophisticated palate. The quality of garum varied greatly, influencing its price and who could afford it. For the wealthy elite, garum was a luxury item, a mark of status and refined taste. They sought out the finest varieties, often flavored with herbs or wine, from specific regions. These premium garums were expensive, reflecting the labor-intensive production and exotic ingredients. Yet, garum was also an everyday staple, accessible to ordinary citizens, albeit in simpler forms. The economic aspect of its production and consumption was immense, driving a significant industry. Garum's dual nature highlights the complex social stratification of Roman society, even in their food. The demand for garum led to its mass production, transforming it into an ancient industrial commodity. Sites like Pompeii and the Spanish coast became major centers for garum manufacturing. These factories produced garum on an enormous scale, supplying the entire Roman world. The finished product was stored and transported in distinctive ceramic amphorae. These amphorae were sealed and then shipped across vast distances, utilizing the extensive Roman trade routes. From Britain to North Africa, garum flowed, connecting diverse cultures through a shared taste. Archaeological discoveries of amphorae provide invaluable insights into this ancient global condiment. Garum was, in many ways, the Roman equivalent of modern fish sauce or even soy sauce. It served the same fundamental purpose, a fermented flavor enhancer that profoundly shaped Mediterranean cooking. For centuries, its savory depth defined the palate of an empire, leaving an indelible mark on culinary history. Though its direct use faded with the fall of Rome, its legacy lives on in various forms of fermented condiments. Garum reminds us that even the simplest ingredient can hold complex stories and profound historical significance. Thanks for watching FoodSaga. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the culinary past of the Roman Empire. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating food history. See you next time.